I do clean up for a day. Also, this is my 11 months now. And typical days, like when I come in the morning, I sweep, clean the house, mop, I wash, I do from 30-35
per month.
Yes.
And what's your working hours like?
From 8:30 to 5 o'clock p.m. in the evening.
Monday to
Saturdays. Then Saturdays I close early from 1 or 2. Yes, like so when I tell some people that I'm very clean, like, why are you doing that job? Because that job does not fit you. It's stressful.
wow.
That how am I coping? I say, they should not worry that now nobody will. If you don't work now, nobody will feel. So very close.
I don't know.
Like when they say, why are you doing clean now? Like, I have to work. I can't wait for anybody to start feeding me or wait for this one. Because nowadays now, we women, we have to work. We don't have to wait, depend on any man or depend on anybody before we can eat. So when they say, that's okay, if you don't want me to do it, so you can bring money or you can feed me now. Then if you do that, yeah. So I'm not seeing the job as a bad job because there are some cleaners working in the bank. You see them dressed well. They're not right cleaner on their face. So in London,
just like a typical work.
yeah, just like a typical. Because in London, people do cleaner.
Yes.
And you get and you see them they build house. You won't believe it's cleaner work. So I'm not seeing the work as a bad job because of the pays. It's not easy because waking up in the morning, waking up my child, bath, everything. They come to work from 8:30. It's not easy job because sometimes my body will feeding me. So I will not feel like coming to work. But just like if I don't work now, who won't feed me? Who won't feed my pikin? So I got to work because now a person will depend on men. Say this thing, how much way man won't give person. So person got to work, got to hustle. So that pikin go chop, pikin go wear better cloth. Me sef I go chop, I go wear. If I like now on Sundays now, if I dress do, the person what job are you doing? If I say I'm clean, I will not believe you. First look me from up to down. So we have to women we have to hustle, we have to work hard, don't depend on anybody. So some women go say I no work. If it's no work, go and learn hand work. When you learn hand work, it will be better for you. So like me, I dey hustle because of my pikin. I no fit, and pikin of nowadays now they no chop now. They go stand outside, they go disgrace you. They go say, mommy, I never chop. So you say you don't go on like make shame catch you. So they say have to hustle. Is that you know there is some people that are doing this work. I know some people who are doing this job, like where they work. They have different people for cleaning the parlor, mopping. They have different person for cooking. They have different person for mopping. But you know, only me doing combined work. It's not easy.
It's a lot of work.
It's a lot of work. It's not easy because on my body they pay me. Sometimes in the morning if I wake up, people like say they can make one, but I have to go. Wetin I wan do? This life, there's no work that is easy. Even if I say I wan comot now, anywhere I go, no work dey easy. There's no easy work. Except it's your own personal business. You can say you want to sleep and nobody go hold you because you have what is coming in and what is yes, like what you said, it's true. See some people will be telling me that only you with your baby, you have to have a man that will support you.
Yeah.
And I'll tell them want to support. I say so with that man I cannot live. Did they born me and the man together? So without a man I cannot eat. So if I say man give me today, man give me tomorrow, man give me the next day, shey the man no go tire. So I have to work. Even if a man will support me, I have to work because no man want to help a lazy person now. So when the man see that you are working, he will support you. But now I'm not looking for any man or because I want to focus on my work and my child. Because men of nowadays they are something else. So advice to young single mothers is for them, except maybe you are from a rich home. Because you know that your mother is rich, your father is rich, you'll be okay. But for those one who are still managing, still struggling, either you go and hustle, look for work, or you look for hand work. Do you know when you have hands work, the rest of your life you can never be hungry. So you have to work hard because of your children. There's people that don't have, you struggle. When you struggle, your first salary, you find a daycare is good, put your child. Then from there, when you start hustling, you save before you. And if God don't bless your hustle, everything will be fine. Don't be lazy. Don't just sit down at home or you're expecting one senator or this thing to bring you money for you. You have to, because one day those people that you are depending on to give you, they'll be tired and will run away from you. So you have to work hard. Work at me as I did like this. There's no work me I cannot do. If it's to carry block on the head, I will carry. There's no work. Kampala, I've done it before. Everyone was like, Jesus, you? Why would I be ashamed? I don't want to feed me. Nobody will feed me. I've done Kampala. I'll sit down the road to do Kampala. Coconut, because cocoa I've done. So, I mean, there's no work I cannot do, no dishes. So, because I don't have to wait for anybody before I eat or wear clothes. So, if there's no work me I cannot do, I can't do anything.